The Bell 505 Public Safety Accessories from Aeronautical Accessories offers the tools you need for critical calls when minutes matter, regardless of where the mission may take you.
Look left, he's coming to you.
The camera mounting and installation system allows installation of the MX-10. Other camera options may be available, and the forward hardpoint can accommodate up to 65 pounds. The Searchlight Mounting Kit allows for the installation of the Traca TLX searchlight, which can operate independently to the camera system. The expanded instrument panel allows for various monitors up to 17 inches. There is also an option to include augmented reality mapping system, such as the Churchill ARS-700 and keyboard. Built-in AR system overlays technical information for pilot and operator convenience. The kit includes the installation of a PA system, featuring an auxiliary input, onboard digital recording storage, and the ability to adjust the siren rate, tone, and levels. Additionally, the kit allows installation of the PS Engineering PAC 45 audio system. The Aeronautical Accessories console includes mounts and storage for camera and searchlight hand controllers, and 2 USB charging ports. The Bell 505 Public Safety Accessories are available for new aircraft or can be purchased from Aeronautical Accessories for aftermarket installations. These accessories will enable you to customize your aircraft to assist in a variety of missions to ultimately help you get the job done.